Hey bros, was geht ab? Okay, here's an update of my shifter build. I know you guys waited so long for this. I actually made this video 2 years ago, but I got my reasons for this. Let me explain. I get a lot of requests if or when I will produce the shifter and if it's for sale, but I really want to test it out, and as long as it's not perfect, I won't sell it. I currently have some rattling noises going on, which I have to figure out where they come from, and if you hear how much this thing will cost, you will buy this shitty Coilovers shifter anyway. It's about 1k bucks, bro. Okay, parts are back from anodizing, and guys, check them out. They are absolutely beautiful. That gold turns out really nice. Okay, parts are looking good, so let's put them back together. First we have to press in that IGOS Iglidur bushings. Oh man, this is looking sick. Alright boys, let's get it started. So the shifter goes in here, and between the two parts there are IGOS Iglidur bushings or washers. Here you can see it. With this washer bushing, the shifter goes very easy, but got almost no play, so nothing is wiggling or something like that. Same as here. Goes easy but got no play. So I have to glue the fixture for the cable because after anodizing the press seat isn't anymore. So yeah, I think I use Loctite for this. Everything is gold here. Nice. This part here is the adapter to mount the shifter to the gearbox bracket.